Hi guys, welcome back to Chillipot kitchen. My name is Darshini. If you love mangoes and also happen to love ice cream, this homemade mango ice cream will blow your mind. I made it without an ice cream maker. All you need are mangoes, condensed milk and cream to make this homemade mango ice cream recipe that is creamy and scoopable just like you buy it in the shop. Except this ice cream money can't buy because shop pot will never be able to capture the flavor of real mango like when you make it from scratch at home. You won't believe it until you try it. This is really creamy ice cream made without an ice cream machine. You can use fresh mangoes or mango puree or frozen mango chunks. You can also use powdered sugar instead of condensed milk. Making powdered sugar at home is very easy. Take 1 cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch or cornflour powder and blend it in a blender or mixer jar. Looking for more instant pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for tasty and easy video recipes. Let's check on the ingredients. Take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box later. Let's get started. You can use any blender or mixer jar or even hand blender. In a jar, add frozen mango chunks or pulp, condensed milk and heavy cream. I kept the heavy cream in the freezer for an hour to get a nice texture. Blend it together till you get a soft peak cream texture. If you are using a hand blender, beat the heavy cream first till you get a stiff peak and add condensed milk and mango puree and gently fold it. I have selected the nut butter option in my blender. It blends approximately less than 5 minutes. It stops and blends by itself, so I no need to babysit, I'll just walk away. If you are using other blender or mixer jar, please make sure that you stop every 15 to 30 seconds and scrap the cream. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell. I post new videos every Tuesday, Friday and Sunday. It's done. Look at the softy cream. You can eat as it is or freeze it for at least 4 to 12 hours. Transfer it to a bowl or container. I didn't add any color. If you want, you can add little bit of yellow food color. It's completely optional. If you want, add some mango chunks. It's also optional. Cover it with a plastic wrap and close the lid. Freeze it for at least 4 to 6 hours. To scoop out easily, keep the ice cream out from the freezer for 15 to 30 minutes before serving it. Wow, look at the creamy texture. The delicious homemade mango ice cream is ready to serve. Add your favorite toppings and enjoy it with your family. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try the recipe at your home and give me your feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.